Good morning everyone. I am Srishti from BCA batch 1. So today I am here to explain the topic set in the Python. So set is the use for store multiple items in a single variable. So here is an example of set that fruits equal to apple, mango or banana. We can take any example here and print fruits. So it gives the output. So it gives the output apple, mango or banana. So set is unordered, unindexed or unchangeable. Means it cannot be indexed as it is indexed in the list we see 0, 1 or 2. But in set we cannot index it in 0, 1 or 2. It is unchangeable. Means we cannot add. Means it cannot change in the values of the set. Uh, but we can add new items or remove any items from the set. So set is also uh, it cannot allow duplicate values. Means if we write apple twice a time, then it also give the output apple, mango or banana. So it cannot allow duplicate value. Thank you.